Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about Crystal Framework. This is one of the agile software development. Okay. Now I ask a question. Do all software projects need the same development process? No, because different projects have different requirements. Small projects don't need many rules. Exactly. A small college project and banking system cannot follow the same process. This idea led to the Crystal Framework, which is one of the agile methodologies. What is Crystal Framework? Crystal is a family of agile methods. It is flexible and adapts according to the project and team. It emphasizes communication, collaboration, and adaptability. It is mainly suitable for short-term projects where developers work in the same workspace. Example, I just explain in simple words. Unlike Scrum, which follows fixed ceremonies, Crystal allows the team to decide how they want to work. Think of it like choosing different routes to reach the same destination. The goal is the same, but the path can change based on the project. It had two core beliefs. Find your own way to optimize workflow. Every team is different. Example, Team A may have hold daily meetings. Team B may prefer meetings every alternate day. Both are acceptable if the project succeeds. Make use of unique methods. There is no single correct process. Teams can customize the workflow according to team size, customer needs, project complexity. For example, imagine developing a college attendance app, 5 developers, an online banking system, 100 developers. Should both use the same process? No, Crystal says each project should use a method that best fits its size and complexity. Next, we move on. History of Crystal method and its characteristics. Crystal framework was developed by Alistair Cockburn, an agile pioneer working at IBM. He studied many successful software teams and discovered that successful projects relied more on good practices and communication than on rigid processes. The main key characteristics are human power. People are the most important part of software development. Instead of focusing only on tools and documents, Crystal focuses on communication, collaboration, and trust. Example, developers discuss issues directly instead of exchanging long email threads. Second one is adaptive. Process can change whenever required. If something is not working, the team improves it rather than following the unnecessary rules. Example, a team changes from weekly meetings to daily stand-ups because requirement changes frequently. Third characteristic is ultralight. Crystal minimizes documentation. Instead of spending weeks writing documents, the team spends more time in building software. Would you rather spend 2 days writing documents or 2 days improving software? Okay, like that. Next principle is frequent delivery. Deliver working software regularly instead of waiting months. Release features every week. A shopping app first releases login, then shopping cart, then payment. Reflective improvement. After every iteration, what went well, what problems occurred, how can we improve? This continuous learning improves future work. Osmotic communication. This means information flows naturally among team members because they work closely together. If two developers sit together, they can solve issues immediately without formal meetings. Personal safety. Every team member should feel comfortable expressing ideas and reporting mistakes. No one should fear asking questions or admitting errors. Focus on work. Everyone should know current task, priority, next activity. Avoid multitasking and unnecessary interruptions. Access to experts and users. Developers should have quick access to customer, domain expert, and users. This prevents misunderstandings. Technical tooling. Use tools for automated testing, continuous integration, version control, deployment. These improve quality and reduce manual effort. How Crystal methodology works or operates. Crystal is not a single methodology, it is a family of agile methods, and the appropriate method is selected based on project size and requirements. Different crystal methods are represented by color variants. Each color suited for different project complexities. Here, clear, yellow, orange, red, diamond and sapphire is the it is used to represent the complexity of the projects. Clear means 6 people involved, yellow 20 people, orange 40 people, red 80 people, maroon more people, diamond and sapphire large people. This table explains the variant, team size and best suited for. Okay, first one is crystal clear. Team size is 1 to 6. It is very small projects. It is suitable for small and short-term projects. Crystal yellow. Team size 7 to 20 members. Small teams with customer feedback. Crystal orange 21 to 40. Medium projects 1 to 2 years. It releases every 3 to 4 months. Next one is crystal orange web. It has 21 to 40 members, web projects with continuous evolving code. Crystal red, 40 to 80 members, large projects. Crystal maroon, 80 to 200, very large projects and complex projects. Crystal diamond and sapphire, large teams, safety critical systems where human life may be at risk. Roles and responsibilities of crystal methods are, these are the roles and responsibilities of crystal work. It has sub roles. Okay, we can see one by one. The above roles are divided into two categories: real roles and virtual roles. Real roles have these type of categories: executive, sponsor, ambassador, user, lead engineer, programmer. Virtual roles have coordinator, business expert, technical writer and a tester. Executive sponsor provides funding, supports business decisions and promotes the project. Ambassador user, it represents the actual user, explains user requirements, validates whether the software meets user needs. Lead engineer, creates technical architecture, guides developers, ensures technical quality. Programmer writes the code, works closely with the lead engineer, implements software features. Virtual roles, coordinator. Coordinator is nothing but project manager, organizes meetings, track progress, report status to the sponsors regularly. Business expert, understand business rules, clarify requirements, set priorities. Technical writer, prepares user manuals, create technical documentation. Tester, tests software, find and report defects, helps verify fixes. Here I will give a overall example. For developing an online examination developer, executive sponsor is college principal, ambassador user is faculty member, lead engineer is senior developer, programmer development team, tester QA engineer, business expert, examination cell coordinator. Advantages and disadvantages of Crystal Framework. First we are going to see advantages. Flexible and adaptable. Teams have freedom to define their workflow. Direct communication reduces delays, easily adjust as teams grow or shrink, works well for experienced self-managed teams. Disadvantages: lack of structure may confuse inexperienced teams, minimal documentation can make project tracking difficult, less suitable for remote teams that rely on written documentation. Organizations requiring strict governance may find critical changing. Is Crystal Agile right for your team? It has some advantages: highly flexible and adaptable to team needs, gives teams freedom, experience self-managed and collaborative teams. They have some limitations: team communication, minimal reporting, strict documentation is not required. I Going with summary, Crystal Framework is a people-centered agile methodology. It focuses on flexibility, communication, and continuous improvement. Unlike rigid methodologies, it allows teams to choose the most appropriate process based on project size and complexity, but emphasizing collaboration, frequent delivery and adaptability. Crystal helps teams building high-quality software efficiently. Thanks for watching. Thank you.